Jai Shri Krishna. If you have been following me already, you would have seen this 9-in-1 Tanjore painting order which we have completed very recently. There have been so many people inquiring for custom paintings and asking if we take orders. Yes, we take custom orders, and we also take return gift orders where we make smaller size paintings. As you are seeing here, the size of each painting here is around 4 inches by 6 inches, which is a perfect gifting option if you are looking to gift more than 10 or 15 people. We also teach Tanjore painting online, and if you want to know more about our upcoming courses, we are going to teach the Ganesha and Krishna that is being shown in the video now. To get the details of these upcoming workshops, please check the details which I am posting here, and you can comment or DM to register. Jai Shri Ram.